Hi, this video is going to tell you how to use Edge to help you read websites. So I've navigated to a website that I would like to read, and this one is about polar bears. You'll notice the URL box, there is this little book. It's called Reading View. When you give that a click, it's going to open something called Reading View, and there is a toolbar that quickly disappears. If you right-click and go to Show or Hide Toolbar, you can bring that up so it will stay. And you can also go directly to Learning Tools right from this little pop-up menu. But I'm going to go to Show or Hide Toolbar because I like to have that up when I'm working in this view. So you'll notice the website looks just a tad bit different. And I have this bar, Text Options. Text Options will allow me to change the size of the text. And it'll give me some page themes that I can change to help me read the website better. I'm also going to get a read aloud option. And the read aloud option
5 locations where you can find polar bears
will read to me, and I have a pause bar as well as a rewind or a fast forward. I also have an option here to change the speed of the reader and the voice of the reader. So I can have it a woman's voice or a man's voice. I can slow it down or speed it up. Again, I have rewind, play, fast forward, and I can also close that option out. I also have learning tools here, and learning tools will give me a bunch of different choices. Text options, text spacing. So these words are spaced out a little bit. If I don't like that, I can shut it off. I can turn it back on. I have a lot more page themes here. So whatever's pleasing to your eye, you can go ahead and change those page themes. I also have grammar tools, and this may ask you to download grammar tools the first time you use it, and that's okay. You can click download, and it will download these tools here. You can turn syllables on to see how words are split up into different syllables to help for pronunciation. You can turn on parts of speech like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and you can also turn the labels on for those different parts of speech. So nouns are purple, and if I want to show the labels, I'll click on that, and it's going to take a second or two, but it'll turn on purple for anything that's a noun, a person, place, or thing, and it'll also give the label of N so I know that that's a noun. I can shut them off just as easily as I turn them on. I can also go to reading preferences, and this will help me with line focus. So sometimes it's easier if I focus on one line at a time when I'm reading. So I can focus on one line, I can focus on 3 lines, or I can focus on 5 lines. And again, I can shut that off just as easily as I turned it on. This arrow here will put you into a full screen mode, and see the toolbar is still there. So I hope this helped you learn how to use Microsoft Edge to help you read websites. Have a great